Hi, and a warm welcome to the brand new Air and Space Institute right here in Newark-on-Trent.
We set ASI up just over 3 years ago, so we've just finished our first 2-year study programmes with our students graduating and going off into industry. Literally just over 3 years.
What courses do you offer as part of ASI?
Our current study programmes, we have a Level 2 Space and Engineering Studies programme, and we have a Level 3 Aircraft Engineering and Level 3 Pilot and Aviation Operations. That's going to widen out next academic year. So within the new ASI building, we'll also have Level 2 Travel and Tourism, Level 3 Travel and Tourism, which will incorporate cabin crew. We'll also have Level 3 Software Engineering and our brand new A-level pathway, which consists of Maths, Physics and Chemistry. We're also really excited to launch our 2 new higher education programmes. So that'll be our Level 4 Higher National Certificate in Aeronautical Engineering and our Level 4 Higher National Certificate in International Travel and Tourism Management.
How did you get the plane here?
So the aircraft itself, we purchased it from a company down at Cotswold Airport called Air Salvage International. So Air Salvage International and another company called Flight Director Limited have been instrumental in helping us with this project to achieve having this Airbus in the hangar, or emulation zone as we call it for training. So the Airbus itself was brought up on a low-loader transporter in sections and rebuilt on site over a period of 6 weeks. So the aircraft itself is an Airbus A318, and we've transformed it into an Airbus A320neo, which is the latest Airbus aircraft that actually flies around taking people on holidays. We've got a whole range of industry partners, but the main people who have been helping us and supporting with the build thus far in terms of the Airbus itself. So GF Tomlinson are our main contractor for the design and build. We've then got Flight Director Limited, who I mentioned earlier, who are turning this into a part-task trainer, so it will be a fully simulated aircraft. And Air Salvage International from Cotswold Airport, who were instrumental in obviously delivering it here, and then their engineering team putting it back together on site.
I think the favourite part of the building, it has to be the aircraft, doesn't it? I mean, who else has got an aircraft in the middle of their study centre? But also from the front of the building, I think it's a really nice angle, so it comes in the layers. And I think when you drive into Newark, what we've tried to focus on is that initial impression of how it presents Newark, but also as a training facility. It's so clean, and the way it's been designed has all been around a light and conducive for learning light. So the whole building has its own natural light that comes in to help us with whatever we need to do.
Lots of glazing.
Yes, lots of window cleaning.
Did everything happen the way it was supposed to?
No, of course it didn't. But everything's been managed really, really well. As it's a whole new build, and we've come across some problems as we've gone along the way, but we're really lucky with GF Tomlinson and working with Newark and Sherwood District Council and all our other partners that we've really just overcome those problems. And Ross, to be fair, has been really, really critical to that. So you'll see as the aircraft comes in, there's a very, very tight space as where the aircraft came in, and that was down to Ross's military precision engineering to get that in. And also with the wing, how many other people, and designing a wing that goes out of a piece of glass, but it's all going to be okay. We've had some areas where we've had to refocus. We didn't quite understand or realise that the aircraft will be quite so heavy, so we've had to have extra steeling put in the floor. But all those things have been overcome, really helpful with the people that we're working with. Well, it's amazing, isn't it? I think as a team, we're really, really proud of it. And we're really, really proud for Newark, because this is the first time in a long time that we've had new education pathways, and certainly a higher education pathway dedicated to Newark to work with a local university. So absolutely delighted. And we are, aren't we?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And the Towns Fund and obviously Lincoln College Group have been instrumental in ensuring that the Air and Space Institute has come to life. And we're pretty much nearly there now.
I think what it does for us is allow people within the local area and people to travel into Newark that wouldn't maybe have done before for education, which hasn't always been the possibility before in Newark.